Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. I am back with another 99¢ only shop with me. I went back as promised to check out the fall items and I wanted to bring you along. Now I'm going to go ahead and apologize from the beginning if there are any weird cuts. It's because I'm trying to give other people the opportunity to shop as well, so I try to be out of their way as much as possible. And also, this was right at the entrance, so the sun was really bright because that's where the windows are. I hope you're still able to enjoy the video. First of all, I love this set of garland. It has flowers. It's not the traditional one that is full of just maple leaves. I wanted to throw that in there because I loved that garland. But another thing that I want to get out of the way is subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That really helps my channel to grow. And now I'll leave you to watch the video. Again, I'll pop in if I have any ideas.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you.
If gnomes are your thing, the 99¢ only has all different price points. They all look different. The prices are kind of all over the place. On some of them, they are really expensive for the quality, and others, like this one that I showed first, it's really well done, but it is $3 and it's kind of small. They also have some smaller ones that I'll be showing up ahead. They have some resin and ceramic ones, all very adorable for, again, all of your gnome needs.
My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you.
These hoop wreaths are adorable. I showed you the orange traditional colors first, but I think that these blue and green ones are just over the top gorgeous. They're only $3. I think it's good if you just need a small area that you want to add maybe a little wreath. They have this white sunflower too, which is adorable. I think this one is my favorite. Actually, no, the first one is my favorite with the large blue flower. But again, these I feel are gonna sell out quick, so make sure that you get them if you spot them.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
These pumpkin lace doilies I always love, but I don't know how to use them, so if you have any ideas and want to send me some pictures, let me know, because I really want to go back and buy some. They have a second design that I'm going to show you up ahead.
And watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul.
I didn't leave you hanging with the pumpkins. I just had to move out of the way. So now I'm back here. I'm going to kind of dig through this array of pumpkins and show you the prices on most of them. They were really differently priced this year. A lot of the ones that last year I would have seen for only $1 this year were $1.99 or $1.49. And I think all of the ones that were here should have been all priced at about $1.
No
this year's fall collection is very small. They didn't bring as many items as before. Before, we would have had a very large collection of fall mugs, and I loved looking at them. They have brought some really good options. This year, I think they were all still really cute, but again, I'm just used to having many more options. For example, in these right here, you kind of have to go through them to make sure that you don't get like one that doesn't look good. I think my favorite one was the one that says Morning Pumpkin, by the way. These two scarecrows are adorable. I'm debating if I should go back and grab one. Let me know in the comments if I should, and which one of them should I get, the one in the blue jeans or the one in the brown overalls. I also love these circle signs. This one, they have the exact same one at Dollar Tree. They also have a blue option at Dollar Tree. And the one I'm going to show you next, this one that says Welcome Fall, I didn't realize it, but both of these front signs are missing the blue truck. I actually like it just as is, or maybe I can personalize it with like a house number or something in the front. That's just an option if you see that. Because it is missing a piece, you can always ask one of the cashiers if they'll give it to you at a discounted price.
I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me, maybe. I say come, whatever comes. Maybe, just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me while I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me.
These truck cookie jars are also adorable. I like that they have corn in the back, not just pumpkins. So they have pumpkins, gourds, and corn, and it's only $5.99.
Cover me. Turn out the light. Turn out the
These smaller gnomes are only $1 and they are perfect for tier trays. I'm hoping to get a couple of tier tray videos for this season. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about that.
Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease, calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control. In under fallen treasured skies, I'm staring deep into your green eyes. Two is one, so we begin. Oh, I follow you till the end, my darling. Green rainbow. Oh, pretty please take it easy. No one likes pushing, shove, let go of control of all you think you know and how you want us to be. Oh, let go. You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please take it easy. No one loves push and shove, let go of control. Calling me like the rainbow. Control, pretty please take it easy. No one loves push and shove, let go of. Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall with you. Don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see.
The selection of pillows this year is also very small, and there's only one pillow that I like. The gnome one is $3.99, the pumpkin one is $2.99, and then this one, which is the only one that I really liked, is the sequin turkey, and this one is smaller, but it's $4.99. Here's a better look at the gnome one. We're nearing the end of this video, so I want to go ahead and thank you for taking time to watch this video. Just like yesterday, go over to my Instagram. I'm going to be sharing over there the items that I purchased on this trip. Also, make sure that you're following me over there, because anytime I go to the 99 or any store, if I find anything worth sharing, I do share it on my Instagram stories first. Now, also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That really helps my channel to grow. Make sure that you keep an eye out for all of my upcoming videos. I'm going to be doing some DIYs, cleaning motivation next week. So make sure that you are here for that. Thank you again, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.